Today, we're going to build the Millennium Falcon using 6 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
This build was inspired by a thumbnail I saw briefly on YouTube. Builder Cheetah was kind of just scrolling through the videos, and there's this one thumbnail that was like, worst to best LEGO Millennium Falcons. And I remember like this image of this one was like, that's actually not bad. So I thought I'd kind of recreate it from what I remember. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with this 2x2 round plate piece. And then I'm going to get 2 of these quarter tile pieces that kind of look like a wedge or a piece of pie. And I'm going to put those on 2 studs so that the curved end is going around the tile to kind of smooth it, or the plate to smooth it out. And I tried, some translucent blue pieces, but it just didn't look right in this scale, because when you do translucent blue, usually that's for the engines, but when it's half the ship, it looked like the Millennium Falcon was like exploding as opposed to like flying through space. So I wanted these just tile pieces in a light bluish gray. Now, the thing I do remember, now this is kind of like me figuring things out, but what I do remember is in this worst Millennium Falcon, they used this 1x1 round plate with 1L bar, and they used 2 of them. What they did was they stuck those 1x1 round plates onto those last 2 studs of the Millennium Falcon, and then they just pushed those bars together to make like a little triangle to create the front shape of the Millennium Falcon. And now on top, we're going to use this 2x2 round tile piece with the center stud. And I like that little center stud because it kind of gives a bump, like, you got the cannons, the radar dish. It's not even on the Millennium Falcon, so I like that little bump with the center tile piece. Put it on, and then there is a micro Millennium Falcon. And I don't think this is the worst build at all. I love these micro scale ships.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.